How to redeem MetaQuest gift card. Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can redeem MetaQuest gift card. So then to redeem MetaQuest gift card, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, you have to go ahead and log in into your MetaQuest account. If you don't have one, you need to just go ahead and create one, and it's going to directly take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now first thing, you have to go ahead and tap on the menu or the toolbar icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. That's going to directly take you to the menu page, and right over here you need to go ahead and tap on the settings icon. As you do that, you need to scroll down a bit, and under subscription you'll be able to find an option as redeem store code. All you have to do is just enter in or provide in the redemption code and click on the submit button. If the information seems to be valid enough, then you successfully redeem your MetaQuest gift card. In this way, you can redeem MetaQuest gift card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.